Number 1. Present a neat appearance. Pay attention to how you will appear to others. Brush your hair, trim your facial hair, and be sure to wash your face and neck before attending a social situation. If desired, use minimal makeup and keep it natural for first impressions. Choose clothing colors and styles that complement your figure, but are not over flashy, skimpy, or inappropriate. Don't wear a suit to a casual encounter or jeans to a formal event for the event or meeting you will be attending. Number 2. Smile. Smiling can help keep you in a positive mood, and people will be more willing to approach a person who seems friendly and is enjoying themselves. Be sure not to smile immediately when you meet someone, though. First, pause and look at the person's face when greeting them. Then smile warmly and let it show in your eyes as well. This makes them feel as if your smile is meant only for them. Number 3. Make eye contact. When you make eye contact with someone, it signals that you are wanting to connect and are approachable. If you are interested in someone, occasionally look at them, no matter who is talking, to show that you want to see how they react. During conversations, hold eye contact for as long as is comfortable. One trick is to pretend your eyes are glued to the other person's eyes with sticky taffy. Don't break eye contact until a few moments after they are done speaking. Slowly and reluctantly look away, pretending like you are stretching the sticky taffy between you until it breaks. Number 4. Turn your body toward the person. People pay attention to the way you act towards them. When you first meet someone, turn your body completely toward them so you face them directly. When you turn toward someone this way, it tells the other person that you feel they are very special. Number 5. Don't fidget. Moving around a lot or using frequent hand motions near your face can make the other person feel unimportant or that you are anxious to get the conversation over with. It can even give the impression that you can't be trusted. Earn credibility by keeping your eyes on the other person during the conversation and not fidgeting, twitching, wiggling, squirming, hair, twirling, or scratching. Number 6. Keep an upright posture. A straight but comfortable posture can give the impression of confidence. Hold your head high, put your shoulders back and step lightly. Move with self-assurance and pause, and sit with your back straight. Don't stare at your feet. Make your back overly rigid or slump over. One trick you can use to help you do this is to visualize a leather bit is hanging from the ceiling or doorway. Pretend to take a bite on the leather bit. This will put a sweeping smile on your face. Keep your posture lifted upright and your feet weightless. Number 7. Imagine every person you meet as an old friend. Think of a person you care about who you have known a long while, and picture that person when you first meet someone. This can trick your body and facial expressions into relaxing and becoming more open and friendly. For example, your eyebrows will soften and smiling will come naturally. Additionally, when you pretend to like someone, it is easier to actually start to enjoy their company.